In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do iPhone split screen. So for this part, what we can do is we can head over to Apple right there. You can open your App Store. So technically, Apple doesn't natively support splitting your screen in half. So what we can do is we can actually install an application that allows it. So on your App Store, head over and click on the search bar and search in there for split screen. Now head over and then actually search for that. And from in there, you can see this split screen dual window. Head over and click on this. It should be available on your Apple or as well as your iPad, depending on this. This is actually a multitasking web browser, so according to the name, it's only applicable on the browser itself. So you can actually just open YouTube using the browser and then search for the other part. You can see right here that this is what it would look like if applied. Now, for this part on the upper, we have the YouTube, and in here we have Twitter. You can actually hover using this line right here in order to change its screen ratio of each of them. You can use it both on your iPad as well as your iPhone right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.